So guys, what's up? This is Asif and you're watching the TechKeeper channel. And around 6 or 7 months ago, I uploaded a review of Lenovo Chromebook Duet. It's my third Chromebook and I'm still using it. It's an amazing device, but I am getting a lot of questions that I did not address in that review because obviously the review was about the product, how it is, not about Chromebooks in general. So there are few frequently asked questions that I got from that video and also from a lot of other articles that I have written on techkeeper.com. In this video, I will be addressing one specific question that has been asked a lot of time, and that is, can you edit videos on Chromebook? The short answer is yes, you can edit. There are workarounds that you can follow and you can very well edit videos on Chromebooks. But the short answer is that it is a bit tricky. I mean, if you are looking for a laptop and you have zeroed in on a Chromebook and assuming that this device will be able to handle your edits, you will be able to edit videos, then this is not going to be the case. If you already have got a Chromebook, then maybe you can use these workarounds and get your job done. But if you don't have got a Chromebook and you're getting just for video editing, or maybe you think that video editing will also be possible, then please look for other alternatives because there are other cheaper alternatives and portable alternatives as well. So talking about editing videos on Chromebook, let's use the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, which is my recent Chromebook, and all the Chromebooks that have got a support of Google Play Store. You can obviously install Android apps on it, and if you got an Android mobile phone, you might already be aware of KineMaster, Power Director, Filmora app. These apps are available for Android, and these are really great devices for mobile phones. And since Chromebook can install Android apps as well, you can get those apps on Chromebook and edit your videos. Other than that, there is really no other way for editing videos. There is a way, but we will be talking about it after we are done with this. Like, let's start with the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. You can go to the Play Store, install an app called KineMaster. There are a lot of apps, but the KineMaster app is quite good on mobile phones. So okay, you can install KineMaster app. It's a paid app, but let's start with the free one. Their logo will be watermarked on the exported project, and if you want to get rid of it, you need to purchase a subscription, which is around $5 a month or around $15 or $20 yearly. Once you have installed the KineMaster app in your Chromebook, you can open it and it will take up all the space, all the screen. It opens in full screen and in landscape mode, not in portrait mode. And once it is open, you can see that it is exactly the same as it opens on mobile phone. It is not optimized for bigger screens, so the icons get bigger, or you obviously get a larger canvas to work on your video, but it is not optimized for bigger screens. So there's that. Now, if you have got a Chromebook like the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, which is powered by MediaTek Helio P60T. It was launched a couple of years ago. It was used in mobile phones ranging between $150 to $250. So it is not that great. And in 2021, it is slow. Now, Chromebook is mainly for browsing, attending meetings, or maybe some writing also, typing also, because Google Docs can open and it does not take a lot of resource. So this processor gets the job done if you are doing the normal stuff, because Chrome OS does not require a lot of power. But video editing is a very resource intensive task, and this is not made for that. So even if you are able to install the KineMaster app on your mobile phone, you have the option of putting it in tablet mode and working from the couch, but you will be limited with the processing power of the computer. And also the bigger screen of Chromebook does not give you any leverage over the video editing app. It is pretty much like you are opening on mobile phone, just the screen is bigger. So my recommendation would be to go for a smartphone and edit your videos on your smartphone itself, because if you are shooting your videos on your mobile phone, then it makes sense to even edit them if the other option is Chromebook, because obviously the mobile phone processor is going to be a little better if both the devices are in similar price range. I mean, it costs around $300-$350. So if you get any mobile in that price range, in $300 to $350, it will have a much better processor, maybe Snapdragon 700 series processor, and it will do a good job in video editing. You will be able to export it better, and mobile phones also have got a lot of RAM. The basic ones have got 4 GB RAM, so 4 GB 6 GB RAM. It is better for you to edit your videos on mobile phone if you have got an option. So it is better to edit your videos on mobile phone rather than a Chromebook. Now you must be wondering about the other workaround, and the other workaround is you can use web apps. There are a lot of web services such as Canva. Canva also started offering video features. I mean, you can use their stock videos, stock footage. You can either use the stock videos offered by them or upload your own videos. But it is quite limiting because you need to upload a lot of videos, and if you are planning to edit videos for YouTube and you are shooting videos on your mobile phone or maybe even DSLR, the footage is going to be too big to be uploaded on a cloud server, because you will require a big internet connection, and that is obviously going to take time to upload videos on that platform. So it is not recommended to do that if you are creating videos for YouTube, creating long form content. If you want to create short form videos like 1-minute videos, you want to make presentations or product showcases, then these web services are really useful because they have already got a lot of templates for videos that have been created by experts, professionals, and all you have to do is make some changes in the text and mix and match and create your video for your product and things like that. In those scenarios, you can use Chromebook because it does not require a lot of processing power because you will be using a web app. But if you want to do it natively, then it is not possible, because I also had a thought about it. I tried it, but I think it is much better to edit videos on Android mobile phone, or go for another alternative like buy an iPad. Obviously it is a little expensive than Chromebooks, but it gets the job done when it comes to videos. For all other things like writing, browsing, attending Zoom calls or lectures, it is a great device, especially because of its portability. It is an amazing device, but for video editing it is not. So I hope you find this video useful if you are searching for something like this. And there are a lot of other frequently asked questions about Chromebooks. I will be answering them, and maybe I'll create a playlist which you will find in the iCard button. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.